Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. Today we're over in Cape Spear, and this is the big waves is coming in.
All you can say is, damn!
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Look at those big old swell there, guys. Look. You could actually. Oh my god! Look at that. That's the big ones I seen way out there. Listen to it. It's like thunder, yeah. Holy moly.
Surf's up, dude!
Yeah.
Cowabunga! Sayonara!
When I was younger, like 21, 22, just got my driver's license. I used to come over here jumping rocks. Didn't realize like how dangerous it was. Like when you little slip and down she go.
You go surfing on this today, it's not cowabunga, sin. See ya.
Yeah. Holy moly. Over here, though. Right here is better shot because you can see over there and right here, though.
Oh my good lord.
See what I mean? Like right here, you can actually see right here and over here.
Big huge. Reach up there to the fences.
Oh, yeah. You may stay there, but I'm gone. I'm gone like a squirt of shit. Couple of big ones out there. I hope my data holds up. So far, the tablet's been good so far. Please don't run out of data. Ooh, nice big one coming in there now. Oh. Told you I can spot them. Oh.
Come on.
Oh my god, guys, look at that.
For all you can suffer. Aww.
Broke up before he got in.
Come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh.
Big one behind and seeing curl. Oh. Wicked. You can actually see him coming in. See the the rows.
Yeah. I remember being down to North Bay Sands. My God, they were nothing.
Oh no. Yeah. It's just like he took a pebble and threw it at the nose and bloop. Couple of big ones now coming in. Oh. Alright guys, I'm going to pause the video, wait till a few more big ones comes in.
Just make sure.
Alright guys, we're back. A couple of great big ones coming in there now. Here he comes. Seems like to me they breaks down when they comes in. Oh, I think this one is. Oh. Oh. So look at it behind and curling up. Oh. Holy moly.
I'd say that's a good, what, 40 feet, I'd say?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Listen.
God, this is so relaxing.
Yeah. Oh.
Jeez, any mermaids out there today? They'd be fucking stupid.
Yes.
Oh, he's flipping her.
Oh yeah, oh, he's moving. He's doing about 17 knots. He is. Coast Guard boat. Another big one. Imagine the power behind that. Oh my God. Oh. But that's some water. Man, oh man, that's some water to hold up like that. Oh.
Is this low tide or high tide? This would be high tide, is it? No.
It's
like what?
there's like a standoff there
Oh, okay.
now. What is it, like 3 o'clock?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You almost through 30.
Yeah. Tide is on a standstill, it's called.
So it's going back out now.
No, it's
No,
just
it's coming in.
It's just standing still.
Oh, okay.
Called standstill. The tide that'll stay on a standstill about 6 hours.
Oh, okay. Okay. It's the edge of my kitchen. Store that into my file. More big ones. Now put get a see-through box or something. And
Yes.
put a lock and key.
Well, guys, look at these big ones coming in here.
Oh, that's good.
Mhm. Oh my God! Look at that! You guys see that?
What a show.
Guys, see how it just goes out? Oh. Well, alright guys, this is the big waves at Cape Spear. I'm going to end it here. I'm surprised the tablet is holding this much memory. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Love you all. Bye.